Okay, 8.3, evaluating logarithms. Okay, so we went through this yesterday. We should have log m, or log with the base b, is log m divided by log b, whereas has to be greater than 0, but cannot be 1. Okay, and m obviously greater than 0 as well. Okay, so we're going to solve. So we learned yesterday that we could do that snail kind of method. So what we're going to do is convert this, because we can't solve it as it is, so we're going to convert it. So we're going to take the x to the power of 2 equals 121. So x squared equals 121. And now to solve for x, we do the opposite operation, which is to square root. And we get an answer of x equals 11. Okay, and if you think about square rooting, you think about positive or negative answer. But in this case, we can't have a negative answer, so just positive 11. Okay, this one, just divide as it is. So log 5 divided by log 25 equals 0.5, 1/2, or 0.5. Okay, now we have log 1 divided by log 19. So what this means is 19 to the power of what will give you 1. So if you can think about it, what 19 to the power of what will give you 1? Well, that should be 0. So let's plug it in. So log 1 divided by log 19. So if you plug it into your calculator, gives you the answer of 0. Okay, next one. Something a little bit more challenging. Okay, log base 3 to power, or 39 equals 4/3. Just want to make sure I have this. Okay, there's multiple ways we could answer this one. Okay, so let's do a conversion first. So we'll do one method. So 3 to the power of 4/3 equals 9/x. So we have 3 to the power of 4/3 equals 9 to the power of x. Okay, but then what happened is we just put the x into the exponent. So the whole point of logs is to get rid of the exponent. But we could do something else here. Okay, so this is a base 3 and this is a base 9. We could reduce, or we could convert the 9 here into a base of 3. So 9 is the same as 3 squared. So 9 is the same as 3 to the power of 2. So we're going to switch the 9 to 3 to the power of 2. So 3, 4/3 to the power of 4/3 equals 3 to the power of 2. X here. Now that we have the same base, we could actually just deal with the exponents themselves. So we're going to cross off the 3's and just deal with the exponents. So 4/3 equals 2x. And now we just isolate for x. So we're divided by 3 on this side, so multiply it by 3 on the opposite side. We have 4 equals 6x. And now divide by 6. You get an answer of 2/3 equals our x value. Okay. I'm going to show you one more method. Okay, one more method here. So what logs allow us to do, this would be or, is to bring the exponent to the front. Okay, so we could take this x and now bring it to the front of the log. So we'll have x log base 3, 9 equals 4 over 3. And now we simplify the log 3, 9 here. So if we do that, log 9 divided by log 3 is 2. And x times 2 is 2x. Okay, and once again, now solve for x. So multiply by 3 gives you 6x equals 4. Divide by 6 on both sides, and now we have x equals 2 over 3. Okay. This one's probably the easier method to use for this type of question, but when we get to some future sections, this one of having the same base ends up being more effective, or one of the few, or it might be the only option for some of the questions. Okay, so either or is fine. Okay, homework for 8.3. So we have 1 to 9, A, C, and E for all of them. So I don't want you to do every single letter. So 1 A, C, E, 2 A, C, E, and so on, 10, 13, and 14.